In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a post on Facebook to multiple groups. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So what you need to do now is that you need to switch over to your Facebook page. This is the only way you'll be able to do what you want to do in this video. So first up, switch over to your Facebook page. You can easily do this by clicking on these three lines right over here. Once you do that, you can easily go over to the pages option and then click on the switch now option. Once you have done this, you can easily write something. For example, let's say I can easily write something like this, and then click on the post option to post that particular post. You can easily then share this post by clicking on these three lines right over here, or rather these three dots. Once you do that, click on the share option and then click on the share in a group option, and you can easily then share to other groups you'd like to share this post to. But keep in mind, you'll be able to share these groups, or rather this post, to these groups once at a time. So for example, if you post onto this group, you cannot post that post to multiple groups at once. You have to post into each group individually. You cannot post that particular post to multiple groups at once. So what you're gonna have to do now is that you have to post onto the first group and the second group individually. So that's how you can easily post a post to multiple groups on Facebook.